Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed a bank draft? Maybe it was for a large purchase, a down payment on a property, or perhaps a legal requirement. If so, you've probably wondered, does Tangerine do bank drafts? In this video, we'll dive into that question and explore the ins and outs of bank drafts, including what they are, why you might need one, and alternative options if Tangerine doesn't offer them. What is a bank draft? Before we get into Tangerine specifically, let's clarify what a bank draft is. A bank draft is a type of financial instrument issued by a bank guaranteeing payment of a specific amount of money to a designated payee. It's essentially a bank-issued check, providing a higher level of security and assurance compared to a personal check. Why would you need a bank draft? There are several reasons why you might need a bank draft. Large purchases. When buying a car, a house, or other major asset, sellers often require a bank draft as proof of funds. It demonstrates your financial capability and reduces the risk of bounced checks. Legal requirements. In certain legal proceedings, such as court-ordered payments or settlements, a bank draft might be mandated. It adds a layer of formality and ensures that the payment is made reliably. Business transactions. For business-to-business transactions, especially those involving international trade, bank drafts can be a preferred method of payment. They offer a degree of security and reduce the risk of fraud. Does Tangerine offer bank drafts? Now, let's address the main question of this video. Does Tangerine do bank drafts? Unfortunately, as of current date, Tangerine does not offer bank draft services. This is a common practice among many online and mobile-only banks, as they often focus on providing basic banking services and may not have the infrastructure to handle more specialized products like bank drafts. Alternative options. If you need a bank draft and Tangerine doesn't offer it, what are your options? Here are a few alternatives to consider. Traditional banks. Most traditional brick-and-mortar banks offer bank draft services. You can visit your local branch and request one. Credit unions. Credit unions, similar to traditional banks, typically provide bank draft services. They often offer competitive rates and personalized service. Money transfer services. Some money transfer services, like Western Union or MoneyGram, allow you to send money as a bank draft. However, there might be additional fees involved. Cashier's checks. While not identical to bank drafts, cashier's checks are another option. They are issued by a bank and guarantee payment, but they might have limitations in terms of the maximum amount. In conclusion, while Tangerine does not offer bank draft services, there are several alternative options available to you. Whether you choose a traditional bank, credit union, money transfer service, or cashier's check, it's important to compare fees and terms to find the best option for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.